it's me Sanoba Zahra. I am here a student of beautician at Zappis Zeptic ITV Hyderabad. I want to share my opinion about Zappis Zeptic ITV Hyderabad, as we are having very nice and polite, kind person as a principal, Sir Hamid Sheikh. And if I talk about my class teacher, Ma'am Kiran Sheikh is there. She is also a very nice teacher, and the way she is teaching us is stunning. If you want to do the beautician course or any other course, so you may come here and take the admission. You can enhance your skills. The Zappis Zeptic ITV Hyderabad is fully recommended from my side. The teachers are very cooperative and stunning. The staff is also very nice. The principal of Zappis Zeptic ITV Hyderabad is also a very kind person. If I talk about my course, so our Mehndi topic is going on, and you can see my work as I have wear the Mehndi like a party occasion. But if we are having another occasion, so we can make our Mehndi design as much as we can. We want the heavy and as much as we want the simple one. As I have made the design and fingers, it's very simple according to the party. But if we are having the bridal Mehndi or the Walima Mehndi, so we will make the deep design in the fingers, and we will continue this design from the hair and from the hip. Okay, if you want to do the course, the beautician course or any other course, so the Zappis Zeptic Hyderabad ITV Hyderabad is fully recommend to you. You may come here and join the courses here. All the staff is very cooperative, the teachers are very stunning, and the principal is very nice. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.